Where have you been all my life, Master Effects? Look, we've got our clip, but we've already chopped it all up. But we want to apply something, anything, maybe black and white, to them all without going in and doing it on each individual one. You can do this from anywhere. All you need to do is click here. If you want to drag an effect on, you can do that. Blur them all up. Look, they've all got a red line underneath them, which means it's being applied to all of them. You can also do it from your colour tab. Here, look, just click this. This will change them all. Black and white, all of them. Why haven't I been using this the whole time? Well, we live and learn.